friends, and welcome back to our one of our relevant adventure on our channel right here on YouTube. We would like to take this opportunity to welcome new subscribers to our channel this week. Miss Pinky Grace sent some of you to join us here on StarBright Productions. Thank you so much, Miss Pinky Grace. We promise to keep you wonderful fans entertained in between your fantastic live show. Today we traveled to Cornelia, Georgia, where our associate producer, Crazy Train Grandma of 5, has got some maintenance of way equipment in action. Maintenance of way equipment, or MOW for short, is used in repairing or replacing the track for the railroad. Afterward, she also filmed a mix manifest NS237 with mostly intermodal freight rolling through town. All of this was filmed on her Railfan birthday celebration. Happy birthday, Miss Grandma, from all of the staff and fans of StarBright Productions. You are very special to us all. I am told that the action is about to start, so let's all go trackside now and enjoy some birthday cake with Crazy Train Grandma of 5. You guys follow me, so here we go, guys! so much everyone for watching. Hope you enjoyed our Relfan adventure for today. And please don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe to our channel so you'll never miss our next and more Relfan adventure. And of course, I would like to greet to Crazy Train Grandma 5. Happy birthday to you. I would like to dedicate a birthday song, of course. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Crazy Train Grandma. Hope you will enjoy your special day. And once again, this is Megan Gallogo with StarBright Productions. Bye-bye for now, everyone. Mwah.